What if the creamy canned milk tea you casually grab from a store shelf actually goes through one of the most fascinating production processes in modern food manufacturing? From hand-picked tea leaves growing in misty mountain plantations to advanced machines blending tea and milk with scientific precision, thousands of perfectly sealed cans roll off high-tech production lines every single hour. But have you ever wondered how simple tea leaves and fresh milk transform into the smooth, sweet canned milk tea enjoyed by millions around the world? Today, we're going behind the scenes to reveal the incredible journey of canned milk tea. From the moment a tea leaf is harvested to the moment a perfectly sealed can reaches the market. The journey begins high in the mountains where vast tea plantations stretch across rolling green hills. These high-altitude environments create ideal conditions for producing tea leaves rich in aroma and flavor. Skilled workers carefully move through the plantations, harvesting the freshest leaves by hand. Not every leaf is suitable for premium milk tea. Only the youngest and most tender leaves are selected because they contain the best balance of flavor compounds. Experienced harvesters work with remarkable speed and precision, ensuring the leaves remain intact and fresh. This careful selection process is extremely important because the quality of the tea leaves directly affects the taste of the final drink. Once the leaves are harvested, they are quickly transported to a modern processing facility to preserve their freshness. Soon trucks filled with baskets of green tea leaves arrive at a massive state-of-the-art factory. Inside the facility, advanced technology and skilled workers work together to transform these natural ingredients into a finished beverage. As the leaves enter the building, technicians carefully inspect every batch. They check color, texture, and freshness to ensure the leaves meet strict quality standards. Any leaves that fail to meet these requirements are removed, ensuring that only the best ingredients continue through the production process. After passing inspection, the tea leaves move into the cleaning stage. Even with careful harvesting, small particles such as dust, stems, or debris may still be present. Specialized cleaning machines gently process the leaves, removing unwanted materials while protecting the delicate structure of the tea leaves. Sensors continuously monitor the machines to ensure everything operates smoothly. This stage guarantees that only perfectly clean leaves move forward to the brewing process. Next comes the stage where the real transformation begins, brewing. Large stainless steel brewing tanks stand ready inside the facility. The clean tea leaves are introduced into these massive tanks where hot water begins extracting their flavor. But unlike brewing tea at home, this process is controlled with incredible precision. Skilled technicians carefully set the brewing conditions using advanced computer systems. Temperature, pressure, and brewing time are all precisely controlled. Even a slight variation could affect the flavor of the final product as the brewing process continues. The clear water gradually darkens as the rich essence of the tea leaves is released. The natural compounds dissolve into the liquid, creating a fragrant tea concentrate. This concentrate will later become the core ingredient of milk tea. Automated systems constantly monitor the brewing conditions, ensuring the extraction happens at exactly the right pace. Too little brewing time would produce weak tea, while too much time could create bitterness. This delicate balance ensures the tea achieves its signature smooth flavor. Once brewing is complete, the tea concentrate moves to the filtration stage. Industrial filtration systems remove even the smallest particles from the liquid, ensuring the tea becomes perfectly smooth. The filtered tea then flows through a network of polished stainless steel pipes that transport the liquid safely through the facility. These pipes maintain hygienic conditions and prevent contamination. Throughout the process, control systems monitor temperature, pressure, and flow rates to guarantee consistent quality. While the tea concentrate is being prepared, another key ingredient arrives at the factory: fresh milk. Large insulated tanker trucks deliver milk directly from modern dairy farms. The milk is transferred into towering stainless steel silos capable of storing thousands of liters at a time. Before it can be used, the milk must go through pasteurization, an essential safety step. Inside specialized equipment, the milk is heated to a precise temperature for a controlled amount of time. This process eliminates harmful bacteria while preserving the milk's natural taste and nutrients. Skilled operators closely monitor the process using digital control systems to ensure everything runs perfectly. After pasteurization, the milk is cooled and moved to large mixing tanks where the foundation of milk tea begins to form. Carefully measured cane sugar is added to the milk using automated weighing systems. Accuracy is extremely important because even small changes in sweetness could alter the final flavor. Powerful mixers blend the sugar and milk together until a perfectly smooth and sweet milk base is created. Now comes one of the most exciting moments in the process, blending the milk and tea together. The sweetened milk base and the rich tea concentrate are carefully delivered into large blending tanks. Inside these tanks, powerful mixers slowly combine the two liquids. As the mixture swirls, the pale milk gradually transforms into the familiar golden brown color of milk tea. Sensors constantly monitor the mixture to ensure the ratio between tea and milk remains perfectly balanced. This careful blending process creates the smooth, creamy flavor that milk tea lovers enjoy. Once the perfect blend is achieved, the freshly prepared milk tea travels through pipelines toward the filling section of the factory. Meanwhile, thousands of empty aluminum cans move along high-speed conveyor belts. Before being filled, the cans pass through sterilization systems that clean and sanitize them thoroughly. This ensures the beverage remains safe and uncontaminated. As the cans reach the filling station, precision nozzles quickly dispense the exact amount of milk tea into each container. The process happens at incredible speed, with hundreds of cans filled every minute. Advanced sensors ensure every can receives the same amount of liquid. Immediately after filling, the cans move to the sealing stage where powerful seaming machines attach aluminum lids. These machines create airtight seals that protect the drink inside and preserve its freshness. The sealed cans then undergo a final sterilization process inside large heating chambers. This step ensures the milk tea remains safe and stable during storage. After cooling, the cans move to labeling machines where printed labels are applied with perfect alignment. Each label displays the brand, ingredients, and product information. Next comes packaging. Robotic arms quickly arrange the finished cans into cartons with incredible precision. The cartons are sealed and stacked onto pallets by automated systems. Workers carefully inspect the pallets to ensure everything is secure before wrapping them for transportation. Finally, forklifts move the finished pallets into the warehouse where they are organized for shipment. Soon trucks will arrive to transport the milk tea to stores and supermarkets across the country. What began as delicate tea leaves growing in mountain plantations has now become thousands of ready-to-drink cans prepared for consumers. And the next time someone opens a can of milk tea and takes that first refreshing sip, they might never realize the incredible journey behind it. A journey powered by skilled workers, advanced machines, and precise engineering working together to create the perfect canned milk tea.